Let's solve this word problem practice SAT question. Last weekend, Jenny made X cookies per hour for 2 hours and Kara made Y cookies per hour for 3 hours. Which of the following represents the total number of cookies made by Jenny and Kara? So this is easy. So Jenny made X cookies per hour for 2 hours, right? So 2x plus, and Kara made Y cookies per hour for 3 hours, so 3y. So this is the total number of cookies made by Jenny and Kara. So the answer is C. Let's move on. Question number 2. Jimmy is a lawyer. Every week, Jimmy has new clients who need their wills drafted. The number of wills that Jimmy needs to finish each week is estimated by the equation 42 minus 7d, where W represents the number of wills left and D is the number of days he has worked. What is the meaning of the number 42 in this equation? Also, this is easy. I hope you know this equation, right? Y is equals to mx plus b. This is slope and this is starting point to y-intercept. So the same here, -7 is the slope and 42 is the starting point. So 42 represents just to solve this, let us say D is equals to 0. Then we get W is equals to 42. Then let's eliminate answers. Jimmy finished 6 wheels per hour. This is not correct. Also, Jimmy will finish the wheels in 32 days. Also, this is not correct. Jimmy finished 32 wheels per day. Also, this is not correct. So Jimmy starts each week an estimated 42 wheels to complete. This is the correct answer.